In this video, I will demonstrate how to use quality of service rules, also known as QoS protocols, so that your VoIP phone always gets prioritized over other devices in your network. This is especially useful for industries that prioritize a certain application of their network, such as VoIP, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and so on. For instance, some companies may require zero downtime in terms of phone calls. Therefore, they would allocate the majority of their bandwidth to VoIP over other uses. What makes our QoS protocols exceptional here at Peplink is that we provide you with a variety of configuration options. This includes setting up QoS based on bandwidth, application, or even user groups. Here at Peplink, we provide network solutions tailored to your needs. Before starting, ensure your VoIP phone is connected to your Peplink router. Next, you need to open up and log into your web administration page. Then, depending on the model of your Peplink device, you need to navigate to the Advanced tab or the Network tab. If you're using a PepWave model, then you need to head over to the Advanced tab. If you're using a Peplink device, then you need to head over to the Network tab. Then head over to Application. In this window, for type, you should select Supported Applications, and for the category, you should select VoIP. For the application section, the default setting is all supported VoIP protocols. But if you have a specific configuration in mind, then be sure to click that instead. Once you're done, you can press OK to save these settings. Now a QoS policy will appear along with the priority settings. By default, High will be selected. This can be changed if necessary. Finally, click Save and apply changes to complete this step. To further prioritize and route your VoIP traffic, outbound policies can be used to route your VoIP traffic over your SpeedFusion VPN connection. These additional steps can be found in the Outbound Policies demo.